of the round.
Bagong dating. Kanilang medical rules dito. Okay, last 4 rounds. Jerry Peñalosa, kailangan mag-score dito.
He's got to do something.
Yeah.
He's got to take the next 4 rounds.
Kailangan manalo si Jerry sa huling 4 na round na ito.
Oh, he's got to knock him out. Do something.
Yeah. Hindi na umuupo si Goody. Talagang standing all the time.
Pero, totoo, mahirapan siya.
Yeah, well, he knew this was going to be a tough fight, but, willing siya to take the challenge. I mean, he takes tough fights, di ba? I mean, 118, he went up to 122, didn't succeed, so now...
Oh, good left. Good left. That, he hurt him. He hurt Morel with that left in the midsection.
Okay, Freddie Roach, sabi niya, go to the body.
He hurt him with the left to the body, but he's got to follow up.
Yep, kailangan mas marami pang gano'n. Okay, Morel
Holding.
Even men of steel can fall.
Yes, he got hurt with that shot to the body.
Flurry of shots mula kay Morel didn't really hurt Jerry. Okay, nice. One to the body. Medyo nag-pick up talaga yung energy ni Jerry dito sa 8th round. Pinoy's all out support again to the body. Nice. Pero kumaka-counter to si Morel. Maabante pa rin si Peñalosa, no? But he's gotta chase him.
See?
Backpedaling to see Morel side to side, forward.
See his tactic ni Morel. He throws one punch and then whirls around and dances away and holds. Look, Timo, you're holding. Timo. He's cautioned. The holding is an offense. We had a better round. Good left by Jerry again.
Pinoy Power 3, Latin Fury 13. 5 Pinoy kontra 5 Latino. So far, it's 2-0 for the Filipinos. May panalo na si Mark Milligan. At si Buenobe Concepcion ngayon. Jerry Peñalosa.
Final 10 seconds.
In a tough
Carried
fight.
by Jerry.
Right.
Goes after Morel.
End of 8.
That's his best round.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.
Yung condition ni Morel.
Very good condition.
Kitang-kita.
Okay, ang corner ni Morel, they're confident na lamang sila pero sabi nila hindi ka dapat magkumpiyansa dahil magaling pa to si Jerry. Kailangan yung intensity na ginawa mo sa first 8 rounds ay ituloy dito sa last 4 rounds. He said he's gotta keep it up. We got blood from in the shorts of Morel from Peñalosa from those 2 accidental headbutts.
Jerry cannot afford to wait. Morel is hitting him on the gloves and the hands, but, he's got to counter.
Moving his head,
Yeah, hindi
naghahanap ng butas.
Hindi pwede hintay eh. Kasi he's very clearly behind on the scorecards.
Yeah, kailangan talagang makabawi to si Jerry sa last 4 rounds. Pero hindi naman siya pagod. He's parang lumakas yung energy ni Jerry, no? So he's in good condition.
Yeah,
so is Morel.
Good hard right to the side of the body by Jerry.
Pero parang walang dugo pa si Morel. But connected a few body shots.
Good shots, good body shots.
But Morel talagang all over the
Good
ring.
left and right by Jerry.
Nice.
And he holds again. Caution. He's getting bored because he holds. When he's in a little bit of trouble, he holds.
Ito ay WBO Bantamweight Eliminator. Ang mananalo will fight for the world title. 118-pound division. Ito yung weight na sabi ni Jerry, mas komportable siya. Okay, umatake si Peñalosa. Morel pushes him away. Here we got Alex Ariza dito sa corner.
You know, Morel is breathing to the mouth now. Tingnan mo si Morel.
That's a
You
good
look at-
sign. That's good.
Yeah, his body shots have sapped some energy from him. Yun ang yung mga yung kaliwa ni Jerry para sa
At
kanya.
si Jerry parang puno pang kanyang baterya.
Looping right hand by
Actually,
Jerry.
looking fiercer si Peñalosa. Hungrier at this point. He knows kailangan niyang gumawa ng puntos dito sa last 4 rounds. Nice again.
See? Tingnan mo yung,
Yeah, you're right.
yung bibig ni Morel. Holding and hitting. Final 10 seconds. May gulang ito. Good combination by Jerry again.
Jerry,
That was a good round for John.
Good round for
Good round for
Peñalosa.
Jerry.